Okay, we made some adjustments. We finally got it working correctly here where we want it. We're going, we got our spring there. We're going to take our half-inch dowel here and check it to see if we have enough, that we don't have too much tension on our line. We've got our half-inch dowel here, which goes here. You got good play there. It's not too hard. Okay, so we're going to take this and glue our dowel in here and let it set up. We're also going to put some dowel on our here on this 3/4 inch, or yeah, 3/4 inch board, so it won't turn on us as we're using it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.